Oh, what's up guys? How's it going? Welcome to my room. This is my miniature library where I do all of my reading. This is my desk where I do all of my editing, all that good stuff. So today I've decided that I'm finally going to do that GoPro giveaway. I've been talking about it for probably a month or so. The GoPro I will be giving away is the GoPro Hero 4 Black. All of the mounts, the GoPro, it comes with this wireless remote. Basically, you can just use this remote to start, stop, or change the settings on the GoPro. You can also use your phone, which is what I used to do. I just prefer to do that. It's kind of easier because you generally always have your phone on you. This guy was actually my very first camera. A few years back, I had a trip to Europe. It was my first time leaving the country, and I had been wanting a GoPro for a while. I had wanted to document these things and fun stuff that I would do. I finally went out and bought one. I didn't do my research. I bought it right before they came out with the Hero 5. I basically paid more for this GoPro than what the Hero 5 cost when it came out, probably a month later. But those things happen. Lesson learned: if you're into photography, videography, or any kind of technological thing for that matter, things are always advancing, always moving forward, so make sure you do your research and find out when the next model of something is coming out. Otherwise, you'll make the same mistake I did and you'll spend a lot of money that doesn't need to be spent. So here it is, Hero 4 Black, and I'm going to show you guys how to properly use this guy right now. So there you guys go. So you can really do anything with this. You can really have some fun. The main reason that I'm doing this giveaway is because I just wanted to, give it to somebody who will get some use out of it, or, kind of same situation as me. Maybe they wanted to get a GoPro and just didn't have the money, or maybe you wanted to get into photography and videography, and my hope is that whoever wins the giveaway is going to get a great use out of it and hopefully will be inspired and inspire others. It's just kind of how things work. It's like a never-ending circle of inspiration. So whatever you create out of it, I would love to see. So feel free to send it to me. If you have any questions, I'm always here. Feel free to ask. The rules of the giveaway are going to be that: 1, you subscribe to my channel. Subscription button is below. I'll also link it in the description. Then comment below on this video letting me know that you watched the video, that you subscribed and entered. And then the third thing will be that you click on the link below and follow me on Instagram. I will check those 3 things before I enter your name into the list. This will be completely at random. So if you know me personally, if you are a friend of mine, it has no weight in whether you win or not. It will be put into some software that just chooses someone at random. I'll hit that button, randomize, and pick somebody. Make sure you guys are responsive or paying attention. Maybe I'll just make a video too. That might be easier. I'll make the video. If you're subscribed, you'll obviously get the notification that a new video is up, and then you can click the video and see the winner. So you'll have 1 week to enter the giveaway, exactly a week from today, and then I will pick the person. So may the best person win, or the luckiest person for that matter. Good luck, everybody.